Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are searching for a budget-friendly projector in 2026, this Philips Neopix 150 is a popular option. But the real question here is, does it really deliver for home entertainment? So today we will be taking a look at its design, picture quality, gaming experience, and whether it is still worth buying in 2026. So as you can see, currently I'm on the official product page of Neopix 150. So over here, when we take a look at the design, so Neopix 150 is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, making it convenient for different rooms or travels. It offers you full HD 1080p resolution, a rotating stand for flexible positioning, and screen sizes up to 80 inches with HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi monitoring, and Bluetooth. The connecting devices is very simple and convenient. Afterwards, let's just take a look at the viewing experience. So for movies and streaming, this particular projector performs best in darker environments. Visual appear clear with good color quality that makes the film and the shows enjoyable on a larger display. For casual gaming, the larger screen add immersion to racing, sports, and adventure titles. Console connectivity is straightforward and visuals remain enjoyable for most of the players. So in a nutshell, if I just talk about the pros and cons of it. So first of all, if I talk about the pros, first of all, you will get the affordable pricing, sharp full HD visuals, portable and easy to set up, multiple connectivity options, and it is good for casual entertainment. Now, if I talk about the cons, so you will see limited brightness in the daylight. The sound is also going to provide you basic performance. It has slight input lag for competitive gaming and fewer advanced smart features are there. So in my final verdict, I can say that the Philips Neopix 150 remains a solid budget projector in 2026. It's a great choice for movie nights, streaming, and casual gaming without spending too much. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.